Hello there, and this particular task is all about skin. You may not have realized, but we all know that our hearts and muscles and brains are all organs of the body. But did you know that the skin is also an organ of the body? The skin is also alive and it keeps you intact, just like your heart, brain, and your liver. And the skin covers your entire body. It is the largest organ that we actually have on our bodies. So the skin comes in many different colors and obviously sizes as well. And it covers our entire body, which protects all our internal organs and keeps our infections and also helps to regulate our temperature as well. So the skin is made up of three layers. The first one is the epidermis, the part of the skin on the outside of your body. It's the part that you can actually see. The second part of the skin is what we call dermis, where blood vessels and nerves are always at work. And the last one is what we call hypodermis. And this is mostly made up of fat where your hair grows from. So is your skin alive? Look down at your hands. What do you see? Anything unusual? Even though you can see it, your skin is hard at work making new cells all the time. So yes, your skin is alive. So have a read of this particular text in detail, and you've got some follow-up questions to answer, and we'll discuss this in much more detail in our next class. Thank you.